Hi, this is Adityan from Mockat. Today, we are sharing the news for 12th February, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and personal interview to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. To get more information about the interview process, follow our Telegram channel where you can get access to WAT and personal interview content from 99.9 plus percentailers. The link to the Telegram group is in the description. Today's 5 news headlines are: PLI scheme's progress slows in key sectors affecting manufacturing goals. How China built BYD, its Tesla killer. Paytm Payments Bank's director has resigned, company confirms. India launches UPI, RuPay card services in Sri Lanka and Mauritius. Darwin Day, how theories of evolution helped our knowledge of life on Earth. The first news for the day is PLI scheme's progress slows in key sectors affecting manufacturing goals. Investment in important sectors identified to spur domestic manufacturing under the flagship production-linked incentive scheme of the center is slowing just a year after their launch. Progress has been slow in the case of medical devices, automobile and auto components, ACC batteries and white goods. The progress of PLI schemes of IT hardware, textile products and specialty steel is significantly slow in terms of investments. Even as the investment exceeded the government's estimate in the previous financial year, progress was not uniform across all schemes. How China built BYD, its Tesla killer. The company passed Tesla in worldwide sales of fully electric cars last year. It is rapidly growing. The company passed Tesla in worldwide sales of fully electric cars late last year. It is rapidly expanding exports to Europe, and the company is on the cusp of passing Volkswagen Group, which includes Audi, as the market leader in China. BYD sales, over 80% of them in China, have grown by about 1 million cars in each of the past 2 years. Real estate crisis and a falling stock market are now making Chinese consumers worry about buying a car at all. But BYD's low manufacturing costs have left it in a better position than most rivals to survive any long slowdown in sales and industry shakeout. BYD also has benefited from low labor costs in China, although those have risen as factories compete to hire skilled workers. Paytm Payments Bank director has resigned, company confirms. Manju Agarwal stepped down from the Paytm Payments Bank board on February 1st, citing personal commitments. The Reserve Bank of India in January issued a directive to Paytm Payments Bank to wind down the majority of its operations. Paytm Payments Bank Limited is an associate of 197 Communications Limited. 197 Communications holds 49% of the paid-up share capital directly and through its subsidiary of PPBL. The RBI stated that Paytm's continued failure to adhere to regulatory guidelines, despite repeated advisories, prompted the stringent measures taken against the fintech. India launches UPI, RuPay card services in Sri Lanka and Mauritius. India has successfully launched its Unified Payment Interface services in Sri Lanka and Mauritius. RuPay card services were also introduced in Mauritius as a part of this strategic initiative. The UPI services, crafted by the National Payments Corporation of India, represent an instant real-time payment system designed to facilitate inter-bank transactions through mobile phones. This launch aligns with New Delhi's expanding bilateral economic ties with Sri Lanka and Mauritius, marking a significant step towards strengthening digital connectivity and financial collaboration between these nations. In February of last year, a link between UPI and PayNow was introduced by India and Singapore. Through virtual payment addresses, mobile numbers can now be used to transmit money from Singapore to India and from India to Singapore. The final news for the day is Darwin Day, how theories of evolution helped our knowledge of life on Earth. February 12 is globally celebrated as Darwin Day to mark the birthday of naturalist Charles Darwin. Darwin Day is an opportunity for scientists to showcase the latest advances in our comprehension of evolution and promote public understanding of science. Darwin's theory revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth by explaining how species evolve over time through the process of natural selection. His ideas have had a profound impact on various scientific disciplines, challenging traditional beliefs about the origin of species and providing a framework for understanding biodiversity. Despite being proposed 150 years ago, Darwin's theory remains highly relevant and supported by extensive scientific evidence. So these are the 5 news for today. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.